27-21 with 8 seconds to go. At least one throw for Lake Mary.
A crazy play beats you in the state championship game. A crazy play could beat you.
Perhaps the final play right here. Grubbs forced to step up. He's got room to let it go. He's got players in the end zone. Hoisting it, the ball tipped. Caught by Schulz!
Caught by Schulz! Lateral to the left side! And in the end zone for a touchdown goes Tavarius Brundidge Jr. Goodness gracious me, oh my!
Touchdown! Touchdown, Lake Mary! Unbelievable! In one of the craziest finishes you will ever see.
Lake Mary's a point after away from winning the 7A state championship.
Lucas Parker to win the state championship for Lake Mary. Good snap. The kick by Parker is good. Lake Mary, in stunning fashion, is a state champion for the first time ever.
That's a miracle. That's a miracle. God is great, man. Oh my God. Hey, this is my truck. Hey, that's Lake Mary first in history right there, boy.
Man, don't ever doubt us, bro. Don't ever doubt us.